Welcome back to Auto MVP, the channel where we bring you the latest, most exciting updates from the world of cars, innovation, and future mobility. If you're a car lover, an EV enthusiast, or just someone curious about where the automotive industry is headed, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our deep dives into the vehicles shaping tomorrow's roads. Today, we're talking about a car that has already become an icon in the EV world, the Tesla Model S Plaid. But this isn't just about what we already know. This is about the 2026 Tesla Model S Plaid, what updates we can expect, the performance numbers, the design tweaks, the technology that makes it stand out, and of course, the all-important question, how much it will cost you if you're planning to own one. Let's start with why the Model S Plaid matters. Back when it was introduced, Tesla completely reset expectations of what an electric sedan could be. It wasn't just about clean driving, it was about raw, unfiltered performance. The Plaid variant proved that an EV sedan could keep up with, and in many cases outpace, the most expensive supercars in the world. By 2026, Tesla has had years to refine this machine, and what we're seeing now is a combination of everything they've learned: engineering, software, and design coming together to create what they're calling the most advanced iteration yet. The first thing people always ask about is performance. The 2026 Model S Plaid is sticking to its roots of being brutally fast, but Tesla has gone even further in refining its tri-motor setup. We're still looking at 3 independent electric motors, 1 in the front and 2 in the rear, but with upgraded cooling, improved power delivery, and software that pushes efficiency to new levels. Officially, Tesla is claiming that the 2026 Plaid can do 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 1.9 seconds, which keeps it as one of the fastest production cars on the planet. The top speed is still in the neighborhood of 200 miles per hour, though Tesla emphasizes that this isn't just about numbers, it's about consistent performance lap after lap, with less of the thermal throttling that earlier versions sometimes faced. Range is another area where buyers want to see improvements. Tesla has been working on its new battery architecture, and by 2026, the Plaid benefits from a denser and more efficient battery pack. You can expect around 420 to 430 miles of range on a single charge under EPA testing, which is impressive given the sheer power the Plaid delivers. Charging speeds have also been improved, thanks to Tesla's V4 supercharger network rolling out globally, so you can add about 200 miles of range in under 15 minutes at the right station. Inside, Tesla continues to push a minimalist but high-tech approach. The yoke steering wheel is still offered, but due to customer demand, a traditional round wheel option is also available, giving buyers the choice. The 17-inch central display has been upgraded with faster processing, brighter visuals, and new features that make it feel more like a seamless part of your digital life. Over-the-air updates continue to be one of Tesla's biggest strengths, meaning the 2026 Model S Plaid is a car that will only get better with time. Entertainment options include console-level gaming, streaming services, and even deeper integration with Tesla's AI-powered driver assistance systems. Speaking of driver assistance, by 2026 Tesla has refined its full self-driving suite. While it still requires driver supervision depending on jurisdiction and regulations, it's much smoother, safer, and more intuitive than previous generations. The system is capable of handling complex urban environments, merging on highways, and navigating roundabouts with much more confidence than before. Tesla markets this as the closest step yet toward fully autonomous driving, though buyers should still see it as advanced driver assistance rather than a total replacement for human control. Design-wise, the 2026 Plaid hasn't changed radically on the outside, but there are subtle tweaks. Tesla has reworked the aerodynamics with a slightly reshaped front fascia and smoother underbody panels, reducing drag and improving efficiency. The headlights have a sleeker profile with adaptive matrix lighting, and the rear has been updated with more dynamic lighting signatures. The car still looks instantly recognizable as a Model S, but with a modern, sharpened edge that keeps it fresh against rivals. Now, let's talk about what really matters to a lot of people: price. The Tesla Model S Plaid has always been at the premium end of Tesla's lineup, sitting well above the Model 3 and Model Y, and even higher than the Model X in some cases when fully loaded. For 2026, Tesla has managed to keep the Plaid relatively competitive, considering inflation, supply chain challenges, and the fact that this is a hypercar-level sedan. The base price for the 2026 Tesla Model S Plaid starts around $96,000 before options and incentives. Of course, once you start adding extras like premium wheels, upgraded paint finishes, interior packages, and the full self-driving option, you can easily push the price north of $115,000. Still, when you compare it to traditional supercars that deliver similar acceleration, you're looking at a fraction of the cost for similar or better performance, all while seating 5 passengers and offering practical everyday usability. Another key point to mention is Tesla's focus on sustainability. The 2026 Plaid is not only about performance and luxury, it's also built with an emphasis on reducing environmental impact. Materials inside the cabin are more sustainably sourced, with vegan leather as standard and recycled elements integrated throughout. The factory production process has also been improved with lower emissions and smarter energy use. So, who is this car for? The 2026 Model S Plaid isn't just for the hardcore Tesla fans, though they'll definitely love it. It's for the buyer who wants a car that can handle the daily commute in quiet comfort, but also unleash supercar-destroying acceleration at the push of a pedal. It's for tech enthusiasts who want to live on the cutting edge of software-driven cars. And it's for people who want luxury, space, and practicality without compromising on speed or environmental responsibility. To wrap things up, the 2026 Tesla Model S Plaid is a reminder of just how far electric vehicles have come in a short amount of time. From a niche product to one of the most desirable performance sedans in the world, Tesla has pushed the boundaries yet again. With improvements in speed, range, charging, technology, and design, the Plaid stands tall as both a luxury sedan and a statement of what the future of performance driving looks like. That's it for today's video on Auto MVP. What do you think of the 2026 Tesla Model S Plaid? Is the price justified for what it offers, or would you look at alternatives in the EV market? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, we'd love to hear your take. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Auto MVP for more content on the cars that are changing the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.